You know I'm at her in Miami, that my baby.
You just like my sidekick, I just want to fulfill all your desires. Keep you in the front.
Yo, what is up guys, we're back on a very special video. As you guys can see the title down below, this one is a throwback to a shoe that released last year, but I feel like it was important to get it again just because it is a very popular shoe, if not one of the most popular collabs of 2020, one of the most sale-worthy collabs of well too, no pun intended. But you got the Off-White for sales right here. So this was originally a woman's release, guys, but then the boys had to have it. So if you guys don't know, typically the way that you go about buying women's shoes, if it is a release and you're really feeling it and you can't get it in the men's, you size up 1.5 in women's. So if you wear a size 11 in men, you wear a 12.5 in women's, and that's why if you guys will see on StockX, usually the 12.5s or the 12s or the 11.5s are very popular sizes that are sold out a lot, or they cost a lot of money to buy from it. So this was gifted from pkgodsneakers. I'm really excited to get the shoe again because I do actually have it in the back down there, but I was just happy to get my hands on it again because it is a very dope shoe. As you guys can see, it has the signature sole of an Air Jordan 4 with the different coloration here, the nude color here, and then you have the white going through here. The thing that I love about this shoe and the way that Virgil did it is because he put this cyan color into it, he put a nude color into it, and he put a white into it, and all those colors are in the same color wheel, so they all look cohesive and match with each other. And there's like so much detail on it. It's very similar material to the Off-White Blood 4 that are rumored to release as well too, but those have not been released and don't really have a release date anytime soon. And you guys can see here, it's just really dope. He put this caging around the logo here. On the back, he has this gel with this kind of half blackish and then half white transcending kind of a transition in the back as well too. The Air logo is right there. You got the signature cream laces, and people were going crazy with the cream laces. I've seen everywhere on TikTok that people started putting cream laces on all their shoes. This is originally where it came from. This was the inspiration behind it. Then you have the Off-White writing in the cage right there, and it's just a lot of subtle details, but it is such a clean looking shoe. When was the last time you seen a beige or a nude color shoe released from a hypebeast brand that was really popping off? So it's really dope to see another beige colored shoe, and I hope they, like, Nike comes out with more shoes like this, because honestly I'm really excited to be able to review them, guys. But the feel of it is amazing, the look is amazing, the quality is dope, the suede on here moves and everything like that. You got the fraying happening on the toe right here, you got the original tongue right there, and also this is very hard material. Smells great and everything looks great on this shoe. Honestly, it is a beautiful shoe, guys. And guys, I've seen this with camo cargo pants, I've seen this with baggy kind of like blue ripped jeans. I've seen a lot of people styling this with vests and coats and blazers, and it's very versatile because it is a nude color. Goes with black or white. There's no way it can't go with both, so that's why people have been wearing it a lot, guys. But resale for this, I believe, is about 2K. It's pretty expensive, but it is a very beautiful shoe, and it is called the Off-White Sales collaboration with Off-White from Virgil Abloh and Nike as well too, guys. So without further ado, guys, let's get into the up close and the on. And as you guys can see here is the part with the kind of hanging logo right there, and then you have the zip tie right here. So that's another really dope thing that Virgil didn't do with a lot of other shoes, is he put the zip tie matching the color of the actual shoe, so all around it goes nice and flows very nice, guys. But without further ado, guys, let's get into up close, get into the on foot, because I know it's what you guys want to see and what y'all love seeing. So guys, let's get into the up close. Hit me up on Instagram at petey.vlnci. And once again, I do not condone the purchase or sale of any counterfeit or replica goods, purely for educational and entertainment purposes. Yeah, we almost at 10K. Love y'all. Let's go.
emotion.